Alright, got the FMS Yak-130 coming out on a Hobby Star 6S 4200. Ailerons on low, rudder on mid, and elevator on high. Gonna go with one tick of flaps. This is probably one of the best ground handling jets that I've got, or that I've ever tried. It just tracks good. Alright, here we go, taking off. Full speed, back pressure coming up, wheels are up, flaps are up. Walking down to the end of the field here. Sorry. It's quite nippy out this morning, about 36 degrees. Fortunately, there's no wind. Nice moderate pass there. Coming back the other way. Try a high speed in front of us, down low. Afterburner kicking in now. Coming back off the throttle. Going up. Just kind of ran out of juice right there. Slower pass in front of us. Between this one and the F-18 FMS one, got them both at the same time. This one is definitely much faster. I'd say probably, if I'm guessing, maybe 20 to 30% faster. And it's much more nimble. If you want to fly like a sport jet, I'd go this one over the F-18. If you just want slow scale flight on an EDF, then the F-18's okay. I did notice on this one though, if you don't use flaps on your landing, my experience is it bounces pretty much every flight. It bounces. 1 minute it says. But if you use your flaps on this and slow it down, bring it down with your throttle, stay off the elevator completely, it will land quite well. I think one more pass and we'll set up for the landing. It's kind of cold out here this morning, about 36, and I don't want to overstress the batteries. Gear coming down. Deployed. Coming into flaps, one tick. I have found that just one tick of flaps is all I've personally needed. There's our timer. Ooh, I'm in the rough. It still handled it okay. I'm really surprised. I figured for sure it was going to tumble. I did not have enough power to pull back up and go around again. That's what one of the hazards of flying in the cold weather. It can completely suck them batteries out much faster, at least again from my experience. It didn't have enough power to drive itself out of the rough here, and it did not have enough power to climb back out on that once I saw it was in the rough. Should be enough to drive it on the shorter grass, so I'm guessing. Take the flaps back up. No, even that is not enough to drive it, so I did that one down just in time. It would have definitely been crashing. Alright, lesson learned. Don't be a knucklehead when it's cold. Reserve that battery. Cut it down by 30 seconds at least. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, just finished flying the FMS. Landed it in the rough. It did okay, but it didn't have power on it. So let's take a look at the battery. 0%. Man, I probably killed that battery. Down to 3 and 2.7, 3.1. Yeah, man. That was a fully charged battery, and just in that little short flight. Fortunately, the battery's not hot, and it's certainly not puffed at all. I don't have a lot of experience with these Hobby Stars, but what little I have used them, I'm very, very pleased with them. They have a real low weight rating on them for the size. This 4200 is about the same, maybe just a smidge heavier than a 3300 on some of the packs I've tried. So we'll mark this and set it to the side and check it when I get home. Thanks for watching.